Over the years I've owned quite a few different cars, and one thing I've always really enjoyed is cleaning and polishing each of them. One thing I don't really enjoy for some reason is cleaning the inside of the car, and one thing I'm not that great at and I've always struggled with is to get the car mats nice and clean. Now normally all I do is I just use a cordless vacuum to vacuum it over, and let's see how well we get on just vacuuming. So overall it's not too bad, but I have found a tip and I found another way to hopefully loosen everything and hopefully get the pile back a little bit. This is a kit of brushes that just attach into a drill, and as you can see there are different size brushes in this kit, I suppose depending on what you needed to get brushed. So there's a last one, there's a smaller one too. But all I want to do is I'm just going to see how effective this is, because I've seen a tip where somebody else has done this and it worked really well. Now that is amazing. I'm really impressed with how well it's got all the rubbish off. Then let's just give it a quick vacuum. That was genuinely the first time I've used these brushes, just to test it on the carpet, and I must say I'm really impressed. All I need to do is give the rest of the carpets a bit of a clean, and then give the outside of the car a clean as well. So I've not done it in a while and it really could do with cleaning. If you're thinking of purchasing some of these brushes, I've provided a link below to show you where to get them at competitive prices. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, just give us a quick thumbs up. Thanks for joining me today.